Hey man, what's good with y'all? It's your boy T. And I'm here, my boy.
Hey boy, Prince.
Listen. Today, we about to drop another. What the fuck, boy? You thought this shit was a fucking game, nigga.
Hold on, I got a sneak peek of the burger. Shit looks trash.
This shit looks trash. What happened to all the sauce they was throwing on the hoes?
Like mine.
Stop. Show me the reveal.
Nigga, my shit looks small as fuck.
Right. This shit they gave me
Look at this.
They gave me the junior burger.
Let me get a
Can I get the junior kids meal?
Your shit bigger than mine? Pause.
No.
Okay. They put like 2 Cheetos on that hoe.
Put it on.
Oh, upside down.
Thumbnail. Hold on, man. Take a bite without me.
Alright, hold on. So, it's our first butt bag, whatever you want to call it.
First mukbang of the fucking year.
Alright, we're going to review the hot Cheeto burger. Ready?
Yeah, man.
Not bad, though. Even though it look like junior burgers.
Yo.
Pretty good.
I think it's smacking a little bit.
Not hot.
Oh.
They give this chicken straight up the grill. Fuck. Yeah, straight up smart. You use chewing action. That crunch action. Straight crunch. Damn.
Look at that, man. Got the Cheetos in there. Got some ranch.
Where?
And some buffalo. Chicken
Ranch.
breast. What's that white stuff in the bottom?
Them niggas are questioning
Is
this.
that white cream in the
I
bottom?
don't know what ranch is. I don't know what it is.
That's ranch and it's some buffalo chicken.
Oh, tastes like ranch.
Cheese sandwich.
Fuck.
Mm-hmm.
She's not bad, man. Not bad. Even though we waited, what, damn near 30 minutes? Woo!
Wait a long time.
Long time for a junior burger. Ain't bad though, but like, we didn't get the fries with it. We didn't get no drink. Cause we cutting.
Cause we cut.
Yeah, cutting, man.
Hey, when you cutting, keep your skin nice. Cut.
Shit,
Chuck on, boy.
back in my throat. Let me get a little pause. I don't know, we gotta slow down. You gotta get our minutes. You gotta slow down. You gotta eat slow. We gotta talk a little bit too.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what.
So,
Made a couple videos today. We did a mall video. Then we did a video on someone else's channel.
mm-hmm. My boy. I know it's real.
SG Gang.
SG BEEZY Gang. We did a video with SG BEEZY Gang. Go check them out. Link in the description down below.
Is it really?
I don't know yet.
Hold on, brother.
Okay. After we came to our agreement, dumb man. Gotta drink some water, man. That's gonna get some minutes. Drink some water, give us some minutes.
hard do you think it is? Ugh. Yeah, cat. You gotta pinky up, man. What'd you hear?
Some music.
Pinky up, man. How drowning?
Should be able to be good too.
I mean, Cheetos gonna say stale. Eat the Cheetos by itself.
Bitch, they still.
They not that stale. They like
Listen.
take a bite of them, man. They a little stale.
A little
They
bit.
not fresh, but they a little stale.
That's straight crispy chicken. Look at that. Look at the flakes on that bit. Look at the grease dripping off that mug.
I don't see no grease unless you know that.
I see a little gloss to it.
Look at the sauce that came. Shit, all the sauce.
The kids, sliding that sauce real quick.
Yeah.
We don't leave no grease behind.
That's like protein.
Look at that protein.
Good protein, man.
Hey man, we gotta get our minutes.
Man, chicken not bad. Look, crispy.
Really?
Crispy.
Yeah.
Fuck is you turning that for? You gonna start eating slow on a regular like this? So we gonna start eating slow on a regular like this?
Eating what?
Slow on a regular.
Oh yeah, we're gonna start eating slow regularly because it's gonna be our habit. Oh. How far are you? No.
Let's finish it.
No.
Yeah, our minutes are good.
No.
We gotta get to 10? Oh,
I
goodness.
think you can go back and like get rid of it. We can go back so we can still watch our old videos. Like, but only just 10 minutes. Though, so you gotta go.
Damn, brother. What's the next video you gonna come out with?
I mean, we got some videos dropping. Well, we'll come out with. Well, you see, we don't be planning that far ahead.
I got more skits coming.
Got more skits coming for y'all.
Yeah, that. We gotta find a new mall to go to.
Yeah, we gotta find a new mall. So. Bitch, I need to race.
Just, it's hard more, brother.
Oh, no. Wait. That thing, 1 second.
Hey! Chill out, man. Cat. Scratching everything up. I'm going.
No, stand down.
I'm down, vicious ass monster.
All right, y'all, that's about to be video. 10 seconds. 10 minutes go by. All right, if you like the video, please like, subscribe, give it another video. Tell us if you want to do more. Goodbye. See you guys in the next video. Love it on Mukbang, baby. Yeah! I give this
No,
9 Cheetos out of 9 out of 10 Cheetos.
That's what we're doing? Alright, I'm gonna give it get an 8 Cheetos out of 10 Cheetos. It's a little small. Cheetos a little crust action. Well, that's about it. It's good, crispy. Crispy chicken. As you expect from KFC, bud. You got the old white slave man cooking our shit up.
We'll see you guys in the next banger, nigga. So, hey, let's drop a bomb on these niggas.